Hello children, good morning. Welcome to our class. Today we are going to learn about first class EVS. So children, in the previous class already we have completed our 5 lessons. So the 5th lesson we have completed about my family. So how is our family, what is the importance of family, all these we have discussed in our previous class. So the lesson has been completed, the textbook part, the grammar part, everything we have completed in our videos. So today we are going to learn about the new lesson, the 6th lesson, that is Home Sweet Home. So our lesson name is Home, a very sweet home. So let us learn about the lesson children. So children, what do you mean by home? So everybody will have a house, isn't it children? All of them will have a house. So we have a different types of, so everybody will have their own different types of houses. So not all the houses are same and not all are the same. So why do we need a house? So children, why should we need a house? So what happens if we don't have a house? And what is the use of house? Why should have, all of them, why should have the house? So everybody, we all are living, all the human beings, everybody are living in a house. Okay, of course, some of them will don't have some shelter, proper shelter also to live. Even though some poor people are there who doesn't have the proper shelter also. But still, most of the people, they have their own houses. Isn't it children? So why? So why do we need a house? So what is the use of house? And why? So here we are going to learn in our lesson. So what is the use of house? So why we are calling it as a sweet home? So sweet house. So let us learn. So why do we need a house children? So everybody we need a house. So without house, without shelter, proper shelter, there's a lot of problems. Isn't it? So a house only will protect us from sun. So during the summer season we have a heat. So the house only will protect us from the heat, the rain. So the rainy season. So how you know that how the rains will be? So in the rainy season, from the rainy season. So the rainy season, the rains. So in winter season, what we have? So cold. So the house only it will protect us from cold. So all the different types of seasons. So heat, cold, rain, storms. And you know that? Wild animals. Yes. So during the night times, how it will be that? Day times okay. If we don't have the shelter also here and there, we'll sit and we can time pass. But what about in the night? So during the night times without shelter, can we? Could we spend the time children? Could we spend the night? No, it's too difficult. So a house is very important for us. So it will protect us from the wild animals. So everybody they need a house. Still so many of them are there children, the poor people who doesn't have a proper shelter. So they doesn't have a proper place also to live. So but here, so we have a house. So everybody they are looking for a house. Anyhow for rent or own house. So some of them living in a different types of houses. Some of them big house, small house, the different types of houses we have. So everybody they need a shelter. So today here in our lesson a small boy named Rehan. A small boy named Rehan. He is going to say about his house. So he is saying that sweet home. So this is my sweet home, like that he is saying. So let us learn about the children. Let us learn some more on this in this lesson. So children, the textbook page number here we can see children 187. So in our textbook, the page number 187 here. So here is the small boy. So Rehan is calling as named as Rehan. Now he is saying all of them. He is saying to all of them, "Hello, I am Rehan." So what did he say? "Hello, I am Rehan." So I am also, my name is Rehan. Like that he is saying, "I am Rehan. The place I like the best is my house." So children, wherever we go, so if we go for picnics or if we go for tours or wherever, so in each and every holiday we used to go somewhere. So wherever So what is the place? So everybody, every child will like the same place. Even though wherever they used to go, but still finally, at the finally last stage, they used to come in the one place. So where they feel very much safe and they feel so peaceful. So it's a very beautiful house. What is that? It's a beautiful house. That is their own house. So this is the place in the world where we can feel very much safe. Isn't it, children? So we are anyhow the summer holidays, any holidays wherever we used to go. But still finally we would go to near relatives' house or friends' house, wherever we go. They won't keep for us for a long lifetime. So they used to say, okay, after holidays finished, after then we have to return back. So then where we will go on to return again? So again where we used to come? Finally we used to come to our house. So this is the place where the child, where all of them they used to feel very much safe. And this is the best place in the world. That is my home, my sweet home. So my house is the very best one. Isn't it, children? So this boy Rihan is also saying that that house is the very sweet home. So this is my sweet home, like that he's saying. So among all the places in the world, the place where I like the most, that is my home, my sweet home. So he's saying that, see here we can see, children, this is a sweet home. So here we can see the picture of a house. So this boy is Rihan. He's saying, hello, I am Rihan. So this is my house. It is my house. He's proudly saying, yes, it is my house. It is my house. This. So I live here. So who are them? Who are living along with Rihan? Yes, of course, that is parents. So yes, mummy, the mother and father, so mummy and papa. So they are living with that. So I live here with my mummy and papa and our pet dog Chica. Yes, here one more member in the family. So he doesn't have any siblings. So no brother or sister are there. So he is living with a small dog. So they used to keep a pet dog. So Rihan used to keep a pet dog. The name called as Chica. So children, here we can see that this is a very sweet home. Yes, of course, it's looking very beautiful. Isn't it, children? Yes. So this is a very sweet home of Rihan. So children, so Rihan's house is the very best place in the world. He liked the very much best. So he is living with their mummy and papa. So mother and father and a pet dog. So he used to keep a pet dog also named Chica. The cute dog name is, puppy name is Chica. Okay, children. Now let us see what is the special about the house of Rihan. So let us see, children. The next page, if you turn the page number 188, here we have some more about the house. He is saying some more. So what did he say? Now my house protects me. Yes. So everybody, why they need a house? If they don't have a house, what happens? So very much problem, children, isn't it? So if we don't have a house, we have seen so many poor people who are living under don't have the shelters also, proper shelter they doesn't have, and they live here and there and they roam here and there. So under the trees, under any shops, near the temples. So wherever we can see some of the poor people, they doesn't have the proper shelter also. Then what they used to do? So what happens if they doesn't have a proper shelter? So it's really problematic, isn't it? So very much problem. So always in the daytime also they used to roam in the sunlight. When the rain comes, then also problem. Nobody they used to come. Yes, please you come into my house, like that. Anybody call them? Nobody. The poor people, the beggars, they used to live like that only on the steps only. So in the rainy season, in the winter season, so during the cold winter season, so too much cold we have in winter season. So in that seasons also they doesn't have a proper shelter. So some of the people they used to die like that only. So isn't it? It's very sad. So everybody must have the shelter. So the house only will protect us from the sun, the sun's heat. So the rainy season, the rain, the wind, the storms, the winter season during the cold, and from the wild animals also. Any wild animals it may be. Maybe snakes or whatever it may be. So in the night times, during the night times we can see so many different types of Wild animals they used to roam. So in the night times it's very, so thieves also, isn't it? If we want to keep anything safe, so without the house, how could we protect our money or anything, jewelry or whatever will be? So it's very problematic. If we don't have the proper shelter, then thieves also, isn't it, children? The thieves will come during the night and daytime they used to observe us. Ah, yes, what they have. So, and in the night times they used to come and attack. Because all are sleeping, that is the time for thieves, isn't it? So the thieves also very much dangerous. So to avoid all these problems, what should we have, children? Yes, we should have a proper shelter. We should have a proper shelter. So this boy also doing the same. So my house protects me from the sun, the wind and the rain. It keeps me safe from wild animals. Yes. So the house only will protect you from the sun, the wind, the rains, the storm, and that keeps us safe from the wild animals also. Yes. So my house has, now he is going to say about how the house will be. So let us see, children, how the house of Rehan will be there. Let us see. So children, here we can see how the house of Rehan. So he is explaining to us. So how is his house? Yes, not a house, not only the Rehan's house, everybody. So house means, children, what will have the for a house? Yes, a house is built up of, okay, the different types of materials only, that is different. So the house, it will have the 4 walls will be there. Okay, and the top, what we have the top on the top of the house? Yes, the roof. And what does the house has? The house has a doors and windows. Yes, when we draw the picture of a house, then how it will be looking? Yes, it will have the doors, windows. So children, without a house, without having a door and windows, could you imagine how the house will be? So it is too horrible. We can't imagine that house. We can't live also in that house. How could we say that is a house? This will be like a storeroom like it. Isn't it, children? So all the rooms are closed. Only just the walls and only one door. So it is impossible to live in that like that. It will be very suffocating, isn't it? No air, no sunlight. So a house means a beautiful house. It will have a, okay, some of the small house, some of them are big house. Small house means 1 or 2 rooms will be there. Big house means somewhat 4 or 5 rooms will be there. So, but each and every, the house, first of all, the outlooking, how it will be? A house means it has a, first of all, it has a many doors and windows. So, windows will be more, but doors also will be there. One will be the first main door when we enter the house. After that, the remaining, the back door will be there. And for the different rooms, in each and every room will have the different door. And windows will be there. Yes, of course, the windows will be more. So, without the windows, children, it will be very much problem, because we can't build a house without a door and a window. Then how could we enter into the house without a door? Could we go inside the house? So, it will be just with the 4 walls and the top roof means, is it a house? We can't say it as a house. So, a house means it have a door and a windows. So, so when we enter, so just to go in from the enter into the room, just when we enter the house, so one main door will be there, through main door, the first door, and then when we go inside, there we can see the many rooms. For each and every room will have a door, and for each and every room they have the windows also, the big size windows. Because if the windows if have means, then only we'll get a sufficient sunlight and fresh air. So, if we don't have the window, that is everything closed means, could we sit in that house? No, it's very impossible. So, we should have a windows. So, proper, not the small windows, somewhat big, medium size or large size. Because from the windows only we will get a sufficient sunlight and a fresh air. So, children, here also he is saying like that. Now, he is saying about his house. My house has many doors. So, this boy house is having a many doors and windows. Yes, of course, each and every house will have a many doors and windows. Everybody's house, isn't it? Your house will have a many doors and windows. My house will have a many doors and windows. All of them, not only one, all of them. So all members who build the house will definitely will have a many doors and windows. Now here we can see, children, many doors and windows also, somewhat big size windows. So we enter our house through the main door. So for a house, one main door will be there, the first door. If we close the door, then nobody can enter the house. Okay, children? So the windows will be closed. So in the night times, what we will do during the night times? We used to close the main door. We used to lock all the doors and windows, everything. Then only we can sleep safely. If you keep like that only open, means what happens? So in the daytime means we can keep open. But in the night times we can't keep like that. So there will be a danger. So the wild animals can enter in our house, the snakes, some insects like that, and thieves also. So to avoid all these problems, we should lock. Okay, children. So to avoid from the thieves also. So you can keep the lock for the doors and windows. Now, so children, we enter the house through the main door. And what happens there? Yes, the windows will have the sunlight and the fresh air. So through the windows only we will get a sufficient sunlight and the fresh air. So in the daytime we have a light. So without everything is closed, no doors or no windows are there, means how could we stay in that room? We can't. That is very suffocating. So very dark room it will be there. So in the night times also we have, in the daytime also we have to switch on the light. So but if you have the doors and windows, we no need to keep the light. So in the daytime we can keep the light, that is the sun. So the sun is the daytime light. So we no need to switch on the light. So because of the sunlight we have a more sunlight, more light in the daytime. So our house also will be there, sufficient light and a fresh air. So from the windows we will get a very nice fresh air. So now here my house has a roof and a walls. So every house will have a roof. So roof is the most important one, children. So simply just walls, keeping their walls and leaving like that only the house means. If the house is constructed, just simply the walls are there and without roof, then can we live in that house, children? We can't, because sunlight will be inside, rain will be inside. Then how could we stay in that house? Yes, the roof is very much important. So for each and every house, the roof is the most important one. Yes, of course, the different houses will have the different roofs. Some of them will have the sloping roofs, some of them will have the flat roofs, isn't it? So some of them will have a multi-storied buildings, means so big houses. So here my house has a roof and a walls. Yes, the roof covers the top of the house. The roof it will covers the top of the house. So on the four walls we have a top of the house. Here Rehan will have a sloping roof, children. See, here we can see the house, children. There is a sloping roof. The top of the house. The roof is the sloping roof. Some of the houses will have the flat roofs also. So the different types of roofs. Yes, the roof is the most important one. So this roof only will protect us from the sunlight, the heat, the wind, the storm, the rains, and from the wild animals also. So children, the roof covers the top of the house. Now, about this is the description of the house. So up to now here we have learned about what is the house and what is the use of the house and how the house it will be looking and why do we need a house. So why is the house is important to us. Now, let us learn, let us see. So let us learn about the different types of rooms. If now we entered into the Rehan's house. Now let us see how the house of the Rehan will be. Now in a house, what are the rooms will be there? What are the different types of rooms? Let us see now. So children, let us see the different types of rooms in a house. So here Rehan he is going to say about the different types of rooms in that house. So he is saying that rooms in my house, that is in Rehan's house. Okay children. So what are the different rooms he had? So he is having in a house the 4 different rooms. There are the 4 different rooms are there in Rehan's house. So what are the rooms? The first one, that is the living room. You can call it as a living room or sitting room. So what is the use of this room? So why we are calling it as a living room or sitting room? Because so we are the Rehan and anybody, all whoever will be there, so coming as a guest. So guests, when they are come to his house, when they come to his Rehan's house, so all of them they used to sit in the living room, that is the sitting room. So here we sit with our guest in the sitting room or living room. So if anybody guest, so papa's friends or mama's friends or your friends, whoever will be there. So if anybody come to our house, then where will we used to keep them? So we don't need to, we won't take them to directly to the kitchen or bedroom or there. So we used to make them to sit in a separate room. That is, we can call it as a sitting room or living room. So big hall like type will be there, no? So that room we can call it as a living room or sitting room. Suppose the TV, the sofa, and they used to keep in the living room. So these are the things we have in a that living room. See children, here we can see the room which will be having the sofa, the divan or the chairs, the table and TV, and here is a cupboard. So it will be there, because if we want to watch the TV, so could we keep the TV in our bedroom? We can't. So for each and every time we want to watch the TV, means all of them must go to the, we have only one TV in a room, in a house. Suppose, so all of them we can't go and sit in our bedroom to watch the TV. So the TV where we used to keep, we can keep the TV in a hall, the living room. So we can call it as a living room. So there only we can sit and all of them can watch the TV. So the table, the sofa will be there. So all of them we can grouply, all of them, the family, all the whole family we can sit there and we can enjoy. After that then we can go to our related bedrooms, isn't it? So this can be called as, or any guest or come to. So this room can be called as a living room or sitting room. Anything we can see. You can say it as a hall also, the living room, the sitting room. Yes. Now this is the first room. So when we enter into the house, here we have a living room. And then next to the room is, yes, the room that is to rest and sleep. So in which room we used to rest and sleep, children? So in a hall we can't go and sleep there, in a living room. Okay, so where we can sleep? Yes, when we want to take the rest or we want to sleep, suppose we are not feeling well, then where we used to go? Yes, we'll go and sleep in a bedroom. Yes, that is called as a bedroom. Here we have the bedroom. So we go and rest and sleep in a bedroom. So the living room after, then we will get a bedroom. So everybody will have a separate bedrooms. So in the night times, in the daytime if we want to watch the TV, all of them will come and sit near the TV and we will watch. After that, later, yes, disperse. All of them will go and disperse. The parents will go to their rooms, the children will go to their rooms, the parents, the grandparents they used to go to. Suppose grandparents are not there, means is there, means they used to go, not there means okay. So some of them will have that. So anyhow we have a different types of family. Such a type of, this also, this boy is a small family. So he doesn't have a grandparent. So like that only, everybody will go and sleep in their related bedrooms. So the bedroom has finished. Now here in the bedroom we can see the bed. So here we have a bedroom and a AC, anything we can keep. So here also in bedroom we have a big window. So after this, then we can see the third room, that is, we can call as a bathroom. Yes, what we have in a bathroom? We'll go our wash our face and we can bath in a bathroom. So this is the third one, that is the bathroom. So in the bathroom we can see children. So these are the things we have in a bathroom. The buckets. So here we have a bathroom, the buckets and the jugs, the taps, the shower. So everything we have. So this is called as a bathroom. We go and wash in a bathroom. We can have a bath in the bathroom. And then the most important thing, the most important room. So what is that, children? Yes, that is Mama used to cook the food. So what is that place, children? That is called as kitchen. What do we say? Kitchen. So kitchen is the room, so where the mother cooks the food. So mama used to cook the food in the kitchen. So in the kitchen means if we enter into the kitchen, we can see so many things. The stove, the mixie, the grinder. So all the different types of electronics, the fridge. So all the different types of items you can see in the kitchen. So here we can see a beautiful kitchen, children. So stove, near the gas stove, near the cylinders and all we have. So the window is must and should there. So the window will be there, and the sink will be there, and here we can see the stove and the cupboards and all everything. So all everything is be closed and cleanly. Used to keep mama used to keep the kitchen room very neat and clean, isn't it? So everything the mixie, the pans and all the utensils. She used to keep in a very neat and a clean manner. So this is the last room. So this boy, Rehan, is having a 4 rooms. What are those? The living room or sitting room, the bedroom, okay, and the bathroom, and the 4th one, that is the kitchen. So these are the 4 rooms in a Rehan's house. He is saying that I help my mommy and papa to keep the house clean. So this boy used to help their parents. So isn't it? We all are also helping. You are helping or not, children? Yes, of course you have to help your parents, children, to keep the house clean. So we should not keep the house dirty. So we have to keep our house clean. Then only if anybody guests they come to our house, oh, how dirty it is, like that if they see means, yes, it's not ugly, it's very ugly. This boy's house is not at all good, like that they used to go and say outside to all members also they used to say. Suppose if your house is very clean means, yes, they will go and say, oh, what a beautiful house. So this boy, Rehan, house sweet boy, so he used to keep his house very clean. Parents also very good. The boy is also too good. So they used to appreciate, isn't it? So they used to appreciate and they used to inform to their neighbors also. Whenever they used to go outside, so they say, yes, yes, I saw in between. In the meantime, I went to Rehan's house. The boy's house also, yes, it's very beautiful, very neat, very clean. So that boy also very good boy. So like that they will appreciate. So we have to keep our house clean like that only. Then only we will get like that rewards. So everybody will appreciate us. Everybody say, yes, yes, this boy is so cute. This girl is very good girl. She is keeping her house very clean. Room also very clean. House also very clean. Like that they used to say. So children, you also maintain like that only. So then only all of them will appreciate you. Parents, whoever will be there, the friends, the parents, the teachers, everybody will say you. Yes, no, isn't it? So you have to be a very good like Rehan. Okay, children. So let us see our recap. So here we have completed our lesson, children. Let us see the recap now. A house. So the house keeps us safe from the sun, the wind, the rain and the wild animals. A house has the doors, many doors and many windows, a roof and walls. So without roof and without walls, we can't say it as a house. So children, now a house has many rooms also. So some of them will have some rooms, some of them will have so many rooms. Extra rooms also they can use. The guest room also they can call. The storeroom also. Some of the houses will have storerooms, guest rooms, study rooms will be there. So this boy have only 4 rooms, but some of them will have different types of rooms. If suppose it is a big bungalow, then we have many rooms. So the different types of rooms also will be there. Guest room will be there. In one house also they used to keep other guest rooms. 1 or 2 rooms, not some of them will have 5 or 6 rooms also guest rooms. More guests are coming means they can use to keep 5 or 6 rooms. Guest rooms will be there, store rooms will be there. So all the waste things and all they used to keep in a big one store. The store room will be there, study room will be there for separately for children. So the different types of rooms will be there. Yes, we must keep our house clean. Yes, children, we have to keep our house clean. Then only everybody will say, this is a very clean house. Everybody will come to our house also. Suppose if the house is very dirty, then they will say, yes, this is not good, like that they used to say. So children, you keep your house also very clean. So you help your parents to keep your house clean. You can help your mother and father. So here we have completed our lesson, Home, Sweet Home. Okay children, so hope you understood all of you. Practice the hard words children. Read the lesson all of you. So not 1 or 2 times children, 3 or 4 times you should practice the lesson. Okay children, so the different types of how the rooms, how the house will be there. So here we have completed. So hope you understood children, all of you.